Causeway Hospital approached us with a clear goal: to install solar panels not only to save carbon and help the environment, but to reduce energy costs as well. Given the hospital's status as a live acute site, with critical functions such as A&E and a psychiatric ward, our installation process required meticulous planning to ensure minimal disruption to patients and staff. We opted for N-type, TopCon and monocrystalline panels, which are known for their superior performance even in low light conditions, ensuring maximum efficiency. A total of 2,300 solar panels, paired with SMA inverters, were strategically placed to minimise shading losses, thanks to SMA's shade fix technology. With a 20-year warranty, these inverters boast German build quality and decades of industry experience.
Standing beside one of the SMA 110 kilowatt tri-power inverters, specially selected for this project because 20-year warranty, German build quality, over 40 years in the business, and SMA, particularly good with their technology, have developed a program called Shade Fix, which means that any panels or series of panels which happen to be in a shadow at various points of the day will not affect the rest of the array, as would be the case with traditional solar inverters.
Despite the hospital's reliance on 2 separate grid connections, we managed to maintain continuous power throughout the commissioning process. To accurately monitor carbon reduction, direct energy usage and grid imports, we developed a bespoke monitoring system tailored to the hospital's needs.
We're here today at Causeway Hospital. Completed a recent installation 1.3 megawatts. Nice sunny day, generating over 1 megawatt of power currently as we stand here. The whole system, totaling 1.3 megawatt, is Causeway Hospital's first step towards their journey for net zero. Over the year, we expect the system to produce over 30% of the hospital's total energy demand.
Smooth sailing marked the installation process, marking a significant milestone in Causeway Hospital's journey to achieve net zero emissions. This system not only slashes operational prices, but also lays a foundation for potential future integration with battery storage or combined heat and power, paving the way to a self-sufficient microgrid that can offset all imported electricity.